Hello students, we will be teaching you capital gain problem of RCU question paper 2018. So last class I have taught two questions same from the RCU question paper, that is for 5 marks, and now this problem is also for 5 marks RCU question paper 2018. Okay, I have written the question and one by one, step by step I will be going on solving it. So I'll just read it out, just check. So first I will draw computation of capital gain assessment year 2020-2021. Then this is particulars and two columns of amount. This is the format we have to draw before starting the problem. So always our problem starts with sale proceeds. So Mr. Pandurang sells a residential house on 1/5/2019 for rupees 24,64,000, which had purchased in 1st April 2001 for rupees 2 lakhs. So purchase price is 2 lakhs and sales is 24,64,000. He expended rupees 1,50,000 on the construction of new residential house. Expended means he has spent 1,50,000 on the construction of new residential house. So this is a new house which could not be completed before 31st/3/2020. So it was not completed during the war. Which period was given? Till that period it could not be completed. One information is given. Being the due date. Okay, so due date of completion of the house was 31st March 2020, but that date, before that date, the house was not completed. So he deposited rupees 1 lakh in a specified bank under the notified scheme. So a notified scheme was there. Under that scheme, he has deposited 1 lakh rupees on 27/2019. The cost of inflation index for the financial years are given 2001 to 2019-20, 100 and 289. So cost of index will always be given in the problem. So this is the information. Sales is given, then purchase price is given, then amount spent on the construction of new houses given, then the completion date, when was the completion date, then how deposit of money in a specified notification, specified scheme of bank. All this information is given. Other than that, nothing is there in the problem. So one by one I'll start. So first is sale proceed. Always a problem starts with sale proceeds. So sale proceed is 24,64,000. Okay, after this what we deduct? Less index cost of acquisition. Acquisition, nothing but cost of purchase. Okay, so index cost of purchase, before calculating we see to market value or purchase cost, whichever is highest we take. But in this problem market value is not given, only purchase value is given. So your purchase value is 2 lakhs. Okay, 2 lakhs into what is the index now? Index for the year, that is previous year. Previous year is nothing but 2019-20. So the index for 2019-20 is 289. So for the previous year 289 divided by 100. 100 is now for the year 2001 2002. Why we have taken 2001 2002? Why? Because he had purchased on 1st April 2001. Okay, so purchase date is 1st April 2001. That is the reason we take here index cost of the purchase year's date. So after calculating it comes around 5,78,000. Okay, so in this problem next step is less index cost of improvement. So in this problem improvement amount is not given, that means it is dash. So straight away only 5,78,000 we have to deduct from the problem. Okay, so first write down this, then next Okay, I've just written this. Why? Because before only don't deduct this. Why? Because he has deposited 1 lakhs in a specified bank under the notified scheme. So this scheme which is given, this is nothing but less deduction under section 54. Okay, so under section 54, first we have to take construction cost of the construction of new house. So here, how much he has spent it? He has spent it 1,50,000 on the construction of new house. So first you will take down that construction cost. How much he has taken? 1 lakh. Straight away write outside here 1,50,000. You can write, or three amount here only you can write, and total you can write it in the outside column. So this is first one under section 54, construction of new cost. New house, any cost if it is there, it has to be taken under deduction, under deduction 54. Okay, next is deposit of money under special scheme. So how much they have deposited? 1 lakh. So all these three deduction at once you can do. So total it is 8 lakhs 28,000. So after deducting all this, we get 16 lakhs 36,000. So this is nothing but taxable capital gain. This is my final answer. Okay, so remember, in capital gain only few things are there which has to be taken in the problem. Even if the question is big, only which is given in the format, only those things should be taken. So first has to be taken sale proceeds, then index cost of acquisition, then index cost of improvement. So improvement is not given, so I have not taken here. Then under section 54, what all deduction will be given, that deduction. So under section 54, what all deductions are there, I will send you a PDF file of this. Okay, from the textbook, what all deduction comes under section 54, PDF file I will be sending, so you will understand which all we have to be taken under section 54. So hope you have understood this problem. Sale proceeds 24 lakhs 64,000 less index cost of acquisition. Index cost of acquisition, how we calculate? We take market value or purchase cost. Both we compare, whichever is highest we have to take here. But in this problem, market value is not given, only purchase value is given. So I have taken straight away purchase value into previous year's index divided by purchase year's index. So purchase year's index was 100 and previous year's index was 289. So after calculating, it comes around 5,78,000. Okay, then less index cost of improvement. So improvement is not given, just put a dash and write out the same amount. So after doing all this process, you can just deduct this, write the balance here, and then deduct less induction and less deduction under section 54. Then first one, construction cost. So for a new building, how much construction amount he has invested, that comes under section 54. So that I have taken 1,50,000. Then deposit of money in a scheme, deposit of money in some scheduled bank, always it will be given, that is also comes under section 54. So that is 1 lakh. So after adding all this, after deducting all these amount from this amount, so 1 2 3 total this amount, and then deduct from this amount, you will get 16 lakhs 36,000. So remaining amount is a final answer, that is taxable capital gain. Okay, so this is a simple problem, RCU 2018 question paper. Okay, so this is one question. So after this we'll be solving next question. So next question is not from question paper, but same type of question was also asked. So here I'll just read on. So from the following information, compute this taxable capital gain of Mr. Vilas for the year 2020-21. Okay, so three columns are given: particulars, jewelry, non-listed shares. So all the information regarding jewelry is given, all the information regarding non-listed shares is given. Then cost of acquisition, cost, year of purchase, cost of addition, year of addition, then cost of improvement, year of improvement, selling expenses, sale proceeds, year of sale, all is given. Okay, next, cost of inflation index is given for all the years. The fair market value of jewelry as on 1/4/20 was also given. He purchased a residential house for rupees 5 lakhs on 15/5/20 2019 is not having any residential house except the house which is newly purchased. Okay, so this is the information given. So first is jewelry. So one by one we have to solve. So jewelry is what? Sale proceeds. Okay, jewelry is nothing but a personal property that also comes under what? Capital assets. Okay, so from the question, first was given jewelry. Once again I'll show you the question. First was given jewelry. So one by one we have to solve. First jewelry and then non-listed shares. Okay, so we'll take this. So just see here, jewelry. I've written is jewelry. Then sale proceed. Sale proceed of jewelry is 24,75,750. So first step in the solution. This is the solution. Computation of capital gain for the assessment year 2021. Particulars amount is given. So first is jewelry. I've written here jewelry sale proceed. Sale proceed of jewelry is 24,75,750. Next step, what we do? We deduct the index cost of acquisition. So in this index cost of, I've written improvement. So this is acquisition. It is not improvement, but first always written acquisition. So acquisition is nothing but cost of purchase. So cost of purchase is, we have to compare it first always. Fair market value or purchase price. Whichever is highest we have to take. So in this problem I'll show you market value is 7 lakhs and cost of acquisition is 5 lakhs. So market value is highest. So yes, 7 lakhs I have taken into previous year's index divided by the fair market value, that is 2001. Which one we have taken now? Fair market value. So fair market values year index we have to take. So 2000 years fair market value is given, 2001's index we have to take. If you have taken purchase years index has to be taken here. So here we have taken fair market value, so we write 100. So after calculation, after simplification, we get 20 lakhs 23,000. Okay, after this next step is less cost of improvement, less index cost of improvement. For improvement they have spent 44,400, then again into previous year's index divided by the date of improvement. So improvement date is when they have given it. So cost of improvement is 44,400. Year of improvement is 2019 and 10. 2009 and 10. 148 is my index. So 289 divided by 148. Okay, remember this. Always numerator will be the previous year's index. Denominator will be the cost which we have taken. So cost of improvement is 44,400 into previous year's index divided by the year of the improvement 148. So after calculation we get 86,700. Okay, so I've added both this. After adding I got 21 lakhs 9,700. So this amount has to be deducted from 24 lakhs 75,750, that is sale proceed. So after deducting I got 3 lakhs 66,005 050. Okay, this is my capital gain of jewelry. Okay, this is one part of the problem. So next what was there? Next was non-listed shares. Okay, so second part of the question was non-listed shares. So again same procedure I'll have to follow. Non-listed shares sale proceeds has to be written. So sale proceed is 10 lakhs 35,375 less selling expenses. Selling expenses is 10,000. Always remember, if selling expenses is given in the problem, after sale proceed, next step always deduct the selling expenses. Then only you will have to start the further procedure. So selling expenses were 10,000. I have deducted from the sale proceed. So remaining amount I have written here. Next, less index cost of acquisition. Okay. So index cost of acquisition is there. So in this problem, fair market value of non-listed share is not given. Okay, it will not be given. Then cost of improvement is not there, year of improvement is not there. So straight away what is given? Cost of acquisition is given. So straight away take cost of acquisition. Cost of acquisition is 1,09,000 into previous year's index divided by 2000 year and 2004 the property was purchased, it was acquired. So that date index should be divided. So after dividing we got this amount. Okay, after this, next step is less index cost of addition or improvement. In this problem, addition is also given and improvement is also given. Okay, so for non-listed share, improvement is not there, it is only addition, so you have to take it addition. So index cost of addition, 75,000 was the addition amount into previous year's index divided by addition year. It will be given in the problem. Addition year was addition year is, year of addition is 2000, 2001. So 2001 index was 200. Okay, so this has to be, sorry, I think so it was 2012-13. Okay, so 12-13 was the year of addition of non-listed share. So non-listed share year of addition is 2012-13. So 2012-13 index is how much? 200. So here I have taken 200. So divided by 200 has to be done. So 1,08,375 we got. So add both this. After adding we got this much. Then after deducting the total amount we got 6,28,000. This is a capital gain before exemption. Okay, there is no exemption in this problem. Nothing is given, no construction or no specified deposit in the bank is given. So straight away this will be your answer. Okay, so non-listed shares are how much? So first one was jewelry. So jewelry plus non-listed shares should be added. So jewelry capital was 3,66,050 plus 6,28,000. So after adding whatever my amount comes, that is my total taxable capital gain. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this problem. So non-listed shares and jewelry, two capital assets are given. So one by one we have to calculate first jewelry and second sale proceed. In this problem, one addition is what? One extra new thing which I will come to know is regarding addition, year of addition and year of improvement. So for shares specially addition is taken. Okay, so cost of addition should be considered. Yes, notes of this problems I'll be sending with the help of PDF. So please go through that. If any doubts are there, you all can call me and let me know. Thank you.